5 ways to make money online fast. It's nearing the end of the month, and no matter how you crush the number, you are still coming up short on money, according to a Gallup poll. 2/3 of Americans don't keep track of their monthly expense versus earning. Are you one of them? Perhaps you were hit by unexpected expense. Don't I have rainy day fund to cover it? Or maybe you lost your job. If you are looking for a way to make some extra cash today, Treasure easy tips for making money online can help fill in the knowledge in your budget. Test and review website for cash. If you spend a lot of time online, you might as well get paid to do it. Companies want to know if their website are user friendly and if there are ways to improve the online experience. Get paid $10 for visiting a website or typing on apps. So some on a list short. Some people are too busy to pick up their own dry killing assemble trip out of box. For fortunate and even start in line at the DMV which work in your favor because they are willing to pay you for these drugs. Your mission sync up online to become a trucker for Trust Rabbit, which connect people for outsourcing and add job and start getting notification of opportunity in your city. Fill out survey for those who love online quizzes or don't mind completing a survey. You can earn some quick cash with online survey. Share your opinion with market research. Want to know what people in your demography really think about a given topic? Some survey site to check out and shop online. Let the drugs roll in while you can save a great deal of cash by shopping the sales and entering in coupon code when you check out of your online shopping cart. You can also get reward for your online purchase and a small percentage back on easy purchase exchange for cash or gift card. Get paid to shop by joining this site. Send and sell your photos. This day, everyone, a photographer with their smartphone, camera filters, and photography apps. Now you can sell your photo to be used as stock photography and earn some side cash for your showbiz skill. Who know where your best shot will show up one day. Here are some websites where you can sell your photo. You can legit metals earn fast, easy money online if you know where to look before signing up with any website. Search for online review so you are sure it's run by a reputable company that pay its user as promised. Put a few extra dollars, sign in your bank account this month with these helpful hints and start coming up with your one way to profit on the time you spent online. Participation pay off. Have you tracked making money online, and if so, what worked for you? Happy money. The preferred loan getting approved rates team company and resource privacy. Privacy and heavy money. Trusted security team and condition user privacy policy, privacy notice, California privacy notice, Euro resultant and Cypress lending license, World lending partner across and user team.